वही यूट्यूब आज के इस लेक्चर के अंदर हम देखेंगे सेसा ने जून 2025 का जो पार्ट बी के क्वेश्चंस है वो देखेंगे। देखो हमको बताना है करेक्ट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ अमीनो एसिड डाइपेप्टाइड इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ अलाउड रीजन इन रामचंद्रन प्लॉट। तो वो आ जाता है सबसे पहले प्रोलिन प्रोलिन आता है, फिर सबसे कम आता है प्रोलिन, फिर उसके बाद में फिनाइल फिनाइल और एलानिन जो है बराबर होता है, फिर सबसे ज्यादा आता है ग्लाइसिन। द रामचंद्रन प्लॉट इज अ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन दैट illustrates that statistically allowed region for the backbone dihedral angle phi and psi in polypeptide chain. The extent of these allowed region which represent stable and energetically favorable conformation is primarily determined by the steric hindrance caused by the side chain of amino acids. A digital amino acid with bulk Sargent experienced greater study classes, thereby restricting the possible phi-psi angles combination and resulting in similar allowed region on the plot. Conversely, amino acid with smaller sidechain or no sidechain at all have a less strict hindrance allowing for a broader range of permissible angles and thus longer allowed region. This principle is key to understanding the observed order allowed region for the dipeptide in the questions. फिर देखो हमको बाद में pKa decrease because the hydrogen bonding with histidine stabilizes side chain and deprotonator status. In the galactic triad of trypsin protease, serine forms a hydrogen bond with this side chain. What will be the effect of this interaction on the pKa of serine residue? फिर देखें इन द कैटालिक triaristin act as a base and form hydrogen bond with the hydroxyl group of serine stabilizing its deprotonator haloxide form. This makes it easier for serine to lose protein effectively, lowering its pKa. The reduced pKa ensure that as serine becomes a strong nucleophile at physiological pH, facilitating peptide bond hydrolysis during catalysis. फिर देखें हमको बताना है द रिएक्शन ऑफ एरिया साइकिल occurring in two cellular compartment and generate the following intermediate. फिर हमको बताना है द इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन द यूरिया साइकिल इज पे बिटवीन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड साइटोसोल ओनली थिंग फ्रॉम साइटोसोल मस्ट इंटर इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड citrulline formed in mitochondria must exit to the cytosol for the cycle to continue. Original suction is entirely in cytosolic. माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल इंनर मेम्ब्रेन के ऊपर कौन सा था सिट्रुलिन है और ऑर्निथिन है। फिर बाद के अंदर आ जाता है देखो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केमिकल modification of uridine residue occur after transcription of tRNA. Ribothiamidine and pseudouridine. Transfer RNAs, tRNAs undergo extensive post-transcriptional modification to ensure their proper structural stability and function in protein synthesis. Among the various nucleotides, uridine residue are frequently targeted for a chemical alteration after the initial transcription of tRNA. Two very common and well characterized modification of uridine are the formation of pseudouridine and ribothiamidine. Pseudouridine is created by an enzymatic rearrangement where the glycosidic bond shifts from N1 to NC5 while the methylation of the uridine base at the carbon number 5 position from ribothiamidine. फिर आ जाता है द एक्टिवेशन ऑफ CDK2 इन वर्टिब्रेट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन तो वो करता है एसोसिएशन विद साइक्लिन ए किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है cyclin A. CDK2 cyclin dependent kinases play a critical role in the cell cycle, particularly in G1S transition and S phase progression. For its activation, CDK2 must bind to cyclin A or cyclin E in early stages, forming an active cyclin CDK complex CAK. CDK activating kinase they and phosphorylate the CDK for a full activation, while V1 kinase inhibits CDK is by phosphorylation dissociation of an inhibitory subunit is not relevant for CDK2 activation in vertebrate. Which one of the following option best represents the cholesterol distribution as percentage of total membrane lipid in typical animal cell? तो सबसे ज्यादा आ जाता है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, फिर आ जाता है लाइसोसोमल मेम्ब्रेन, फिर आ जाता है स्मूथ ईआर के ऊपर, फिर आ जाता है इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन। The plasma membrane has the highest cholesterol due to its role in rigidity and signaling. Lysosome have a moderate amount of moderate on the smooth ER while making cholesterol keep less in its own membrane. The inner mitochondrial membrane has the least has a high purity is critical for its producing function. फिर which one of the following feature differentiate bacteria from archaea? आर्की से कौन डिफरेंशिएट कहता है? presence of cell wall made up of peptidoglycan. Both bacteria and archaea are prokaryotic and have no nucleus membrane or single circular chromosome opero. Once they differentiate in that bacteria have a cell wall made up of peptidoglycan, which archaea lacks using the material instead. फिर देखो all of the following are covered by the lipid monolayer except तो वो जो है एंडोसाइटोसिक वेसिकल है वो कवर्ड नहीं होती जबकि लिपिड ड्रॉपलेट है वेरी लो डेंसिटी लिपोप्रोटीन्स है और chylomicrons हैं. Lipid droplets (VLDL) and chylomicron are structures that store or transport neutral lipids such as triacyl, glycerol, and cholesterol esters. These lipids are hydrophobic, so they are surrounded by phospholipid monomer with associated protein. In contrast, endocytic vesicles are membrane-bound structures derived from the plasma membrane and enclosed by phospholipid bilayer, not a monomer. फिर आ जाता है enzyme can unwind short stretch of the DNA helix immediately ahead of replication fork. तो हो जाता है helicase. Helicase is the enzyme that unwind the short stretch of the DNA double helix at the replication fork by breaking the hydrogen bond between complementary bases. The unwinding essential for creating single standard template required for DNA and application. In contrast, topoisomerase and DNA guidance function to really if the Trojan strand and supercoiling ahead of the replication curve but do not directly separate the two strands. DNA polymerase on the other hand is responsible for synthesizing the new DNA and does not play a role in unwinding the DNA. फिर आ जाता है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन सेकंड सेकंड बी के बारे में बताना है. इट फॉर्म द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इनिशिएशन कॉम्प्लेक्स बाय इंटरैक्टिंग विद आरएनए पॉलीमरेज सेकंड एंड टीबीपी. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर सेकंड बी is a general transcription factor essential for the formation of the pre-initiation complexity interact with the TBP data binding protein and RNA polymerase second thereby helping in the accurate recruitment and positioning of RNA polymerase second in at the core promoter. This make option फिर आ जाता है राइबोसोम अटैच टू एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम via what the translation chain with carries signal allowing interaction with SRP receptor on the ER. Ribosomal attaches to the ER during co-translation targeting for of secreting and membrane protein. This process depends on the signal peptide emerging from the nascent polypeptide chain. During translation, the signal peptide is recognized by the signal recognition particle, which temporarily holds translation and direct the ribosome membrane nascent chain complex to the ER membrane by binding to the SRP receptor. Once docking occurs, translation resumes with the polypeptide translocated into the ER lumen of the membrane. देखो if 90% of the nucleotide are in genome A, then what is the percent of C and G? देखो 90% कितना है A है तो T भी कितना हो जाएगा? हाँ 90 हो जाएगा 38% हो गया है ना T है ना फिर है बीस 38 52 बच गया 52 का आधा कितना होता है 40 60 30 बच गया 60 60 का कितना हो जाएगा 62 62 को कितना हो जाता है 31 तो इसका हो जाता है C31 G31 और T कितना हो जाएगा 19% हो जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग द चार्गाफोबिन डबल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए ए पेयर विद T and G pair with C if A कितनी है A 90% T must also be 90% with 80 account for 38% leaving 62 or say and G combined, then G occurs in equal amount, G 31% and C 31%. How the question asks for the percentage of C in G and T and A equals to 19%. Which one of the following phytopathogenic bacteria is predominantly transmitted through insects? तो हो जाता है Xylella fastidiosa. Xylella fastidiosa. Xylella fastidiosa in Xylem limited phytopathogenic bacteria responsible for disease like first disease in grapevine. It is a primarily transmitted by xylem feeding insects such as sharpshooters and spittle bugs. The bacterium relies on these insect vectors for movement between in host plant where it host plant because it cannot move effectively on its own outside the plant vascular system. In contrast, Xanthomonas, Ralstonia, and Pseudomonas are typically spread through soil, water, or wound, not predominantly by insect. The heterotrimeric G protein signaling component that is uniquely present in the plant lineages for the extra large G alpha. The plant have a unique component in their heterotrimeric G protein signaling pathway called the extra large G alpha subunit, which is not found in animal for fungi. This subunit is larger than the conventional G alpha subunit and contain additional domains contributing to the plant-specific signaling mechanism, including stress responses and development. Other listed components like GPCR and regulator of Z protein signaling are common to many eukaryotic systems, but the ZLG subunit is distinctively present in the plant cell lineage, making it the correct answer. फिर हमको बताना है ग्लाइकोसमाइन ग्लाइकन के बारे में इनकरेक्ट बताना है दे आर ब्रांच पॉलीसैकेराइड जो कि ज्यादा गया तो यूजुअली मेड अप ऑफ रिपीटिंग यूनिट ऑफ सल्फेटेड अमाइनो एसिड अमाइनो शुगर एंड यूरोनिक एसिड so as severe loss of GAG can lead to premature aging. GAG are distinguished by their sugars, the type of linkage between the sugar and the number and location of sulfate group. They are one of the most anionic molecule made up by animal cells. Here, glycosamine glycan are highly anionic polysaccharide composed of repeating disaccharide unit of sulfate and amino acids, sugar and uronic acid, but they are linear, not branched. Their negative charge result from carboxyl and sulfate group, making them important for its structure and signaling role in connective tissue and extracellular matrix. His statement about papilloma virus is correct. They infect cervical epithelial cells and maintain themselves in latent phase as extra chromosomal plasmid. Human papilloma virus primarily infects cervical epithelial cells where it can persist in a latent phase as a episomal extrasomal DNA while integration to the host genome may occur in a high risk HPV type and as a linked cervical cancer. It is usually involved in early in E6, E7, not structural genes E7 disrupt rastomatosis interacting to promoting S phase entry, and E6 bind to P53 and induces its degradation, not prevent it. फिर देखो which one of the following not promote aging. एजिंग कौन प्रमोट नहीं करता है एक्टिवेशन ऑफ टीलोमरेज जो है वो एजिंग प्रमोट नहीं करते हैं देखो इंक्रीज ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस डिफेक्टिव इन डीएनए डैमेज रिपेयर रिड्यूस बायोसिंथेसिस ऑफ ग्लूकोट्राइन्स भी है. Aging is promoted by factors such as increased oxidative stress, accumulation of DNA damage due to defective repair enzyme, and chronic inflammation. However, activation of telomeres help maintain telomeres length, preventing chromosomal shortening and delaying cellular senescence. In fact, loss of telomeres activity is associated with aging. फिर देखो ectopic expression of vestigial protein in developing eye antenna and leg disc of Drosophila convert the normal structure into wing tissue. Which of the following statement is true based on the above statement? Vestigial expression is essential for wing development. The observation that ectopic expression of vestigial Protein in non-living tissue like eye, antenna, or leg disc can convert into living tissue strongly suggests that vestige is both necessary and sufficient for wing development. It act as like transcription factor in the wing development program. They support the idea that wing for vestigial essential for wing formation. फिर आ जाता है हमको which of the following is an explanation of asymmetric cell division in plant. तो वो आ जाता है हमारा for mitotic division of microspore. Asymmetrical cell division uses two types of daughter cells of different size or fate in plant. The first mitotic division or functional megaspore is asymmetrical, giving rise to cells with distinct role during female gametoid development. These divisions are polarity in the embryo sac. In contrast, guard-mother cell divide symmetrically to form two equal guard cells, and microspore generally undergo symmetrical division, cell division in the root elongation of root zone also. The time mutation of omitogen gene often result in which one of the following development defect in a Drosophila, transforming one segment into another segment. Omitic gene in Drosophila control the identity of body segment along the anterior posterior axis. Mutation in these gene do not remove or duplicate segment but instead cause homeotic transformation where one segment develops characteristic of another. For example, a mutation in antenna gene can transform antenna engineering to read this direction from segmentation gene material which cause a missing or duplicated gene segment. A student exposed a plant herbicide that block electron transport in both photosystem second and photosystem first. What is the likely outcome? And neither ATP nor DGP will produce. When a herbicide block electron transport system in both pigment system second and pigment system first, it completely halt the light-dependent reaction of photosynthesis. Pigment system second is responsible for initiating the electron flow by extracting electrons from water and generating a proton gradient for ATP synthesis. Pigment system first reduces this electron to NADP and NADP H. If both photosynthesis system are inhibited, the electron flow stops, resulting in the failure to produce both ATP and NADP. Since these two molecules are essential for developing the Calvin cycle, their absence also indirectly holds carbon fixation. Therefore, neither ATP or NADPH would be produced under these conditions. Yeah, the which one of the following is following no carotenoid is not involved in the non-photochemical quenching of chlorophyll. And फ्लोरेसेंस इन प्लांट हो जाता है कैंथेराजेंथिन्स जियाजेंथिन वेयाजेंथिन एंथेराजेंथिन ये सारे के सारे फिर आ जाता है देखो नॉन photochemical quenching is a protective mechanism in plant that dissipate the excess light energy as a heat to prevent photodamage. The carotenoid zeaxanthin, phylloxanthin, and anthraxanthin are directly involved in this process as a part of the xanthophyll cycle under which light condition phylloxanthin is converted into anthraxanthin and then zeaxanthin which play a crucial role in NPQ. Canthaxanthin, however, is not a part of xanthophyll cycle and not typically involved in NPQ in higher plants. It is also found in some algae bacteria but not in the construct of chlorophyll fluorescence quenching in plants. There are the subclasses of terpene that generally volatile and often stored in the glandular hair or secretory cavities of leaves and fruits of herbaceous plant are. होता है मोनोटर्पिन एंड सेस्पिटर्पिन्स मोनोटर्पिन कार्बन 10 and sesquiterpene carmifloxacin are small or molecular with terpene that are volatile compound responsible for the characteristic aroma of many herbs and spices. These compounds are typically stored in glandular hairs or secretory cavities in leaves, flowers, and fruits. In contrast, diterpenes, triterpenes, and tetraterpene are larger and less volatile molecules, primarily known in the structure of aroma is also not in fragrance production. Which one of the following is not micro-associated molecular pattern maps of phytopathogens? So that is system and 18 amino acid peptides. Map are conjoined microbial molecules recognized by plants to trigger innate immune responses. Example include FXZ22 from bacterial flagellum, PEP13 from Omycetes pathogen, and ELF 26 from bacterial elongation factor 2. These molecule originates from the microbes. In contrast, system is a plant-derived peptide hormone involved in the wound signaling and defense responses. Uh, It is a not microbial in origin. Video warm tomato leaves synthesize photoprotocysteamine larger to 100 amino acid precursor protein. Procysteamine is proteolytically processed to produce short 18 amino acid polypeptide damp and called damp जिसको बोलते हैं system is released from the damaged cell into the apoplast. In adjacent intact tissue, loam parenchyma histamine bind to pattern recognition receptor on the plasma membrane. The activated system is reset become phosphoryzole and activates phospholipase AL2, PLA2. The activated PLA2 generates the signal that initiates a biosynthesis. The osmonic acid is then transported through the phloem to systematic part of the plant by unknown mechanism. The osmonic acid is taken up by target tissue and activate the expression of gene that encode protein as inhibitors. Which one of the following are not glial cells? होता है बास्कल सेल जो ग्लायल सेल नहीं है जबकि स्वाइन सेल एपिडीमल सेल्स और सेटेलाइट सेल्स ऑफ द नर्वस सिस्टम सारी सारी ग्लायल सेल्स हैं. Glial cells are non-neuronal cells that support and protect neuron in the nervous system. Example include swan cells, PNS, myelinators, and epidymal cells lining ventricles and produce cerebrospinal fluid and satellite cells. Support cells in PNS, ganglia, basket cells, however, are inhibitory interneurons found in the cerebellum and cerebral cortex, not glial cells. फिर आता है protein is responsible for the permeability of Mg plus 2 through the tight junction of the tubular cell in the thick ascending limb of Henle. तो आ जाता है Claudin 16. Tight junction in epithelial cell regulates the paracellular transport movement of iron and water between cells in the thick ascending limb of Henle. Reabsorption of Mg plus 2 and calcium occurs primarily via cellular pathway. Claudin family proteins are essential components of light junction. They determine selective ion permeability. Claudin 16, also known as paraselin, is typically responsible for Mg+2 and calcium towards permeability in the tail. Mutation in the Claudin 16 gene cause familial hypomagnesemia with hypercalciuria and nephrocalcinosis FHHMC. Zero protein 013 are scaffolding that link adjacent component to the cytosol but not directly determined in its ion selectivity. Estrogenic acute regulatory protein STA are patient transfer of cholesterol in which on the following subcellular organelles. तो हो जाता है mitochondria. Steroidogenic acute regulatory protein STAR play a crucial role in the process of steroid hormone synthesis. It is a primary function to transport cholesterol from the outer mitochondrial membrane to inner mitochondrial membrane, where the initial and rate limiting step of steroidogenesis take place. This process is essential for the production of hormone like cholesterol or testosterone. फिर देखो क्वेश्चन 48. Which one of the following molecule is a transported into enterocytes from the interstitial lumen by GLUT5? तो हो जाता है फ्रुक्टोज आ जाता है. कौन सा जाता है फ्रुक्टोज. GLUT5 transporter is a specific carrier protein located on the apical membrane of the enterocyte cell lining. The small intestine is primarily function to facilitate the transport of fructose from the intestinal lumen to the cell via facilitated diffusion. Unlike glucose and galactose, fructose absorption is not dependent on the sodium and glucose co-transporter. SGLT1. See, देखो which one of the following response relationship correctly represents the nerve cell selectivity. VA variance, VD dominance, VI interaction variance, VGA genotype X environmental variance, VT total variance. तो है VA/VT, neuroscience activity है जो उसका is a key concept in quantitative genetics that estimate the proportion of phenotypic variance that is due to additive genetic variance. Additive genetic variance is the component of genetic variance that is a part from the parents was to predict how a trait will respond to selective breeding. The total phenotypic variance is the sum of all genetic and environmental variations of the formula for neuroscience relativity is h square बराबर VA/VT. Transcript of gene is shown below with lines indicating introns and rectangles indicate exons and mutation from T at the 6 nucleotide position to T. A first nucleotide position transfer assets region of the following option accurately describe the outcome of this mutation. Loss of function. Here the two temperatures mutant of Escherichia coli were mated with each other and none of the resulting X conjugates showed the wild type phenotype this mutation are. तो उसको बोलते हैं एलेलिक बोलते हैं. If two mutant cross was mated then analysis of whether the offspring showed wild type phenotype is used to complementation test. Wild type phenotype is based on the mutation are in different genes not related. But the wild type phenotype is not based on the mutation in the same gene allele. Two temperature sensitive materials for the matter. None of the exposure showed the wild type phenotype. This means both medicine affect the same functions in locus allelic mutation. The temperature sensitive nature indicate the protein function is compromised at restrictive temperature, but that does not affect the allelism. At Drosophila melanogaster has a full pair of chromosomes. There is no recombination in males of these species. What is the number of the possible combination of chromosome in a gamete male? तो वो आ जाता है 16 आ जाते हैं कितने 16. The formula to calculate the number of possible combination of chromosome due to the independent assortment. Twin and double number of homologous chromosomes pair and double for Drosophila has a four-polar pair of chromosomes. Chromosome number and double for Drosophila has a pair of chromosomes. The possible outcome is 224 बराबर 164 और 1624. There is no combination in males, so crossing over does not contribute additionally. Variability only dependent on assortment matter. But as 16 sRNA gene based maximum Lycos tree on soil isolate show their long branches, the node connecting a cladectino bacteria, protobacteria, which artifact is most likely to be present in the hair. Compositional heterogeneity causing long branch interactions. Further, this question is described the classical phylogenetic artifact known as the long branch attraction LBA occurs when distinct. फिर आता है LBA occurs when distantly related taxa with high rate of evolution represented by long branches in phylogenetic tree are incorrectly grouped together because they have accumulated many similar but independent evolved substitution. The most common cause of LBA when using DNA sequence like the 16S RNA gene is compositional heterogeneity. This is where different lineages have a different base composition, rich over long evolutionary period, unrelated long branches, lineages, many or similar base composition causing phylogenetic algorithms is incorrectly grouped them together. This is well documented issue when analyzing distantly related bacterial currents such as actinobacteria and proteobacteria. Which one of the following habitats harbors the critically endangered Great Indian bustard or Deoxys nigiceps? The desert grassland of Rajasthan. The Great Indian bustard is critically endangered bird species found primarily in dry grassland and scrublands of India, Pakistan. The state of Rajasthan is home to the largest in most significant surviving population, particularly in the desert national park and surrounding regions. Their habitat is characterized by the is the arid to semi-arid grassland, Phyllotite tomato plant in subtropical field began to show progressive wilting, interveinal process and root laboratory analyzing indicator cyanocytic hyphae along with presence of thick walled white spots. Additionally, the disease progressed rapidly in humid conditions. Which one of the following organisms is not likely to be responsible for the infection? Pathifidarium oxysporum. The Simpson and Glave finding point toward Umacity's water mold because Cyanocytic hyphae Umacities have a septate Cyanocytic hyphae unlike true fungi which have septate hyphae. They all spores. These are sexually spores of Umacities. Disease thrives in humid conditions which is typically typical for Omycetes. Analysis of its Pythium, Ephindermatium, and Omycetes cause wrapping of and root rot in humid conditions possibles. Phytophthora nicos, Phytophthora nicotiana, and Omycetes pathogenic on many plants including tomato possibles. Specifically, Oxysporum, a true fungus, as considered with septate hyphae and produce Chlamydo Spores not fusarium, spores not likely. Phytophthora infestant Mercedes cause late blight in tomato festivals. Yes, under the current rule taxonomy, which one of the following organism lineages can legitimately receive genus name either under ICN or under ICNP based on author choice? तो आ जाता है हमारा cyanobacteria biliary. These questions deal with the specific rules governing the name of certain organism, but that blur at the lines between traditional taxonomic kingdom and international code of nomenclature for algae, fungi, and plants, and the international code of nomenclature of prokaryote are two primarily set of rules. Cyanobacteria, historically known as the blue green algae, due to their photosynthetic nature, are prokaryote and thus fall under the scope of the ICNP. However, because of their long history of being studied by FICO, or lodges botanists who study algae, their names are also called by the ICN. These dual coverage allows author to choose which code they may follow the naming these organisms. So in the classical metapopulation model is articulated by Richard Lewis, 1969 and 1970. The metapopulation is considered to be a collection of subpopulation occupying different patches. Which one of the following conditions should be met for the population to be considered as a metapopulation? So that the individual subpopulation should have a realistic chances of extinction and recolonization. According to Lewis metapopulation, and the key concept is that metapopulation is system of spatially separated populations of population connected by dispersal conditions. For a truly metapopulation, patches are suitable for the spatial but not separated in space. Some metapopulation experience local extinction and decolonization, and the overall metapopulation persists because colonization rates with the extinction rate analysis of some. Phenotype for human organism, which one of these lifestyle attribute is associated with broadest range of environmental tolerance तो हो जाता है survival. हो जाता है survival. The ability to survive is the most fundamental requirement for any organism. It represents the broadest possible range of environment conditions under which an organism can exist. While an organism may be able to survive in a wide range of environment, its ability to grow and especially to reproduce and produce a large number of offspring fecundity is often limited to much narrower, more optimal set of body conditions. For instance, a plant might survive a drought but will not grow and reproduce when sufficient water is available. Survival is the most basic measure of an organism's tolerance to environmental stress. We know the holding is a indicator relation between basal metabolic rate and body size for organisms within taxonomic group. As their weight specific basal metabolic rate decreases non-linearly with body size. The basic metabolic rate is the rate at which organism expends energy at rest while the total BMR of an active animal increases with its body size. It does not non-linearly following a power law. Much of this is often expressed as Calvert's law, where BMR is proportional to body mass is to the power of 43 because BMR does not increase at the same rate body mass, weight, body. Is very specific BMR per unit body mass actually decreases as the body size decreases. This is non-linear relation. For example, mouse has a much higher weight specific BMR than elephant. This is due to the surface area to volume ratio. Smaller animals have a larger surface area related to their volume, leading to faster heat loss and higher metabolic rate to maintain body temperature. Why might a plant species evolve Christogenic flowering in addition to Casezonic one to increase reproductive success in response to under uncertainty in pollinations? Castogamis are small closed self-pollination. They do not require pollinators. Chesmogamis flowers are open and typically cross-pollinate often require pollinators. A plant cross did both types of cross-pollination when pollinators are available through the Chesmogamis flower. Guarantee self-pollination and seed set when pollinators are scarce or absent. Those Castogamis flowers. Certain study on honeybee foraging research investigated how dopamine release in the mushroom bodies affect the bees' ability to learn floral orders associated with nectar derived which of that emergence for questions does the study of primarily. What mechanism underline association between floral orders and reward? Convergence for questions for studying animal behavior. Phylogeny evolutionary study. How did the behavior evolve? Functional adaptive significance, how does it help us reproduction, coagulation mechanism, or a neutral hormone or physiological mechanism control it? Ontogeny development, how does it develop during an individual's life? In this study, research or investigation dopamine in the brain mushroom bodies and how it's influence order reward learning. The is address plausible mechanism, neurophysiological basis of behavior. Therefore, the correct inversion question is position mechanism. We know the following features is lights as a source of early evidence for life on Earth. Biogenic laminated structures that have been influenced by phototrophic microbial maps. Stromatolites are some of the oldest evidence of life on Earth, dating back over 3.5 billion years. They are layered rock-like structures formed in shallow water by the trapping, binding, and accumulation of sedimentary grain by microorganisms, primarily cyanobacteria. The key feature is the biogenic nature. They are not just mineral formation, but are created by living organisms. But layers are formed as a sticky microbial mat composed of photosynthetic microorganisms, phototrophs, trap sediment particles. This process, repeated over long period, creates the characteristic laminated mounds we see today, providing a fossil record of ancient ecosystem. Which of the following correct chronological order to major geographical areas from oldest to youngest? आर्कियन आ जाता है, प्रोटियोजोइक आ जाता है, फिर निरोजोइक आ जाता है. The major eons or eras in broader sense of Earth history in order from oldest to youngest. Archean 4.0 to 2.5 billion year ago. Formation on the first continental crust. Early life forms appeared. Protozoa 2.5 billion, say 541 billion year ago. Oxygenation of the atmosphere. Great oxidation event appear a few years. Phanerozoic for 541 million years ago present. Explosions of life from Cambrian explosion diversification of animal and plants. So the correct residual order of Archean present Phanerozoic, Archean Proterozoic, Phanerozoic, Archean Proterozoic, Phanerozoic इोन आ जाता है हमारा इोन आ जाता है हमारा हेडियन है आइकियन है प्रोटोजोइक है फिनोजोइक है एरा आ जाते हैं हमारे नियो प्रोटियोजोइक पेलियोजोइक मेसोजोइक सिनोजोइक पीरियड आ जाता है हमारा मेसोजोइक के पेलियोजोइक के नियो प्रोटोजोइक का आ जाता है हमारा ईडियाकरण और पेलियोजोइक के अंदर आ जाता है हमारा सोस डीसीपी पेलियोजोइक के अंदर आ जाता है कैम्ब्रियन आ जाता है ओडोवियन आ जाता है सिल्वरियन आ जाता है डेविनियन आ जाता है कार्बोनिफेरस आ जाता है और परमियन आ जाता है मेसोजोइक के अंदर आ जाता है टीजेसी सिनोजोइक के अंदर आ जाता है पीरियोजिन नियोजिन और क्वार्टरनरी सिनोजोइक के अंदर आ जाता है पेलियोजन नियोजिन और क्वार्टरनरी पेलियोजिन के अंदर आ जाता है पेलियोसिन इओसिन और लियोसिन मियोसिन के अंदर आ जाता है नियोजिन के अंदर आता है मियोसिन पिलियोसिन और क्वाaternary के अंदर आता है प्लेस्टोसिन और होलोसिन इसी के साथ ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट हो जाता है आगे हम नेक्स्ट के अंदर देखेंगे तब तक के लिए बाय बाय टेक केयर